mula sa mga ito, paano ka naman nag-transition to inspirational music?
Yes.
How did it happen?
Well, in the year 2000, my brother asked me if I want to sing on the birthday of Jesus. So I thought it was just happy birthday, ganun. But then it turned out it's the Jubilee song. It's the Jubilee 2000, the Great Jubilee. That's the 2000th
okay.
birthday of Jesus Christ.
Saan ginanap ito?
In all the churches all over the Philippines.
Lahat.
And all over the world. In the Vatican also.
You recorded the song.
Yes, the Jubilee song, composed by Father Carlo Magno Marcelo. So I recorded it, and that started it all.
Narinig ito sa lahat ng simbahang Katoliko sa buong mundo. And then
Yes.
from there,
I was asked again to sing for the Fourth World Meeting of Families for Pope John Paul II. Yun. So it just so happened that Saint John Paul II then was ill, so he was able to come. So we sang the Luneta Grandstand, ano pa nun, live via satellite pa nun,
Okay.
to Pope John Paul II. And he was there listening to us. So, and from there...
Live?
Live, yeah.
Wow.
Parang live via
Okay.
satellite. Yun.
Via satellite,
Via
yes.
satellite pa. And then, from there, came People Power 2. So I was asked to sing Heal Our Land.
now what was the song that you sang in the presence of the Pope via
Only
satellite?
Selfless Love.
From there, pumunta ka sa,
People Power 2, which is
And
Heal
then-
Our Land.
ito na yon.
Ito na yun.
Yung Heal Our Land.
Yes. Heal Our Land. Ron Romulo gave me the title, The Inspirational Diva. Yun.
Ron Romulo, the writer.
Yes.
Okay, kaibigan natin.